Alright, so I just finished. You know what that means, though. Yeah. Alright, so today I'm gonna be taking off the muffler on my 370Z. And yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take off these bolts and blades. Take off this big ass muffler. And then I'm actually gonna take off these two. But yeah, those. And there's one on that side too. And yeah, that's right there. That's, yeah, put it back. Alright, so I'm actually gonna be putting these in. There's some Remarks axle backs. Actually, wait, let me open. Oh shit, what the fuck? Yeah, they're kind of huge. I'm not gonna lie. The bird tip cost me like around 500, 400 something, but like round it up, you know, whatever. But yeah, they're actually kind of huge. Like, look at this. My, what the fuck? Now look at my current one. Oh shit, you can't even see. Oh, you can't, but it's like, they're like a little bit smaller, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, we'll do it right now. So this is how it sounds from outside. Alright, so this is how it sounds right now from inside. Oh shit, I don't even have my fucking keys. I'll be right back. Alright, so now I have my keys. Alright, this is how it sounds right now from inside. I mean, it's kind of loud, but it's just not enough. So I took off the freaking mufflers. It's another day because I couldn't do it the last time. So they're open gaskets now. And you know I gotta do it. So, yeah. Alright, so I just finished. They're pretty cool. Kind of big, low key. See that? I just take out the whole, this side, this whole muffler. I unscrew those bolts over there. You know, easy. You know what that means, though. Yeah. Pretty good. I'm gonna go drive it. See how it sounds. You already know. Let's go. Let's get it. I know, I'm broke, sorry. Don't be saying anything about my 52 miles. Alright, so here, let's see how it goes. Ooh. You have no idea how happy I actually am. Bruh, this car is such a blessing. It's a blessing from outer space, not from the gods, because, yeah. But either way, it's fucking, just look at this. Bruh. Alright, let's go. right now, like as I'm going in 5th gear at 50 miles per hour, it sounds like if I wouldn't even have an exhaust. I fucking hate this. It's droning a little bit right now. I don't know, it's a little bit too quiet, but it can't be too loud, or else it cops. Sounds so nice. I'm sorry, but it just keeps on falling down too much. I need money right now, guys. Please, just please, make me big on YouTube. Maybe it gives me enough. It kind of pops sometimes, but it's just like a rare thing. Sounds so much better. Rating it from a 0 to 10 of loudness, 0 being the really quiet, 10 being the most loud, obnoxious, outrageous sound that's ever been heard. It's probably a good 6 or 7. It's like probably a 6, because like an 8 it's like perfect, like perfectly loud, like doesn't drone. It's probably a 6, because right now I've been hearing a little bit more droning, but it's not like you don't hear me screaming right now because it's not too loud. So keep in mind that I'm going like on the back roads, so I don't know if it's gonna be droning way more on the freeway, but hopefully not. But yeah, it's a perfect 6 or 7. It's 6.5. It's loud, like you can tell the difference, like if you've ever had or heard of a Z, no, if you've ever had a Z, a stock muffler and everything, like you're like, damn, you would, because it's a fast car for sure. And you just like, fast cars are meant to be loud, I guess. Back home. Yeah. All right. Rating 6.5. What I recommend. If you don't want a really loud a really loud exhaust, and don't mind a little bit of droning, yeah, get it. But other than that, well, right now it was actually pretty simple installation. It's just I was being really stupid and took way too long on it, but yeah. That took like 3 days, but who cares? Yeah. Yeah, laters.